You know what? Why I am standing here? Let me show you. You can see the roads. These roads. You can see the water all over the roads. This side and this side. I am standing here. I can go because of I am not. I am staying here just because of I can go because of I am on my scooty, but I am don't go. Reason is simple because of if I go there and my shoe will be wet. This is why I am standing here and waiting for because of the rain just stopped now, and the water you can see, this is the water of rain stored all over the roads and all the roads. If I go in the water and somehow I have to stop my bike, my shoe would be bad. This I'm not going. I am standing here and you can see the water level this side and this side, all over the sides. I'm getting late. I am getting late, but still I don't have any way to I don't have any option. This is why I am waiting for reducing some amount of water from the road so that I can easily go. You can see there is no surface visible as long as I see. If I go there, my when this is the situation. This is, you can say, this is option we have. If I go there and somehow I have to stop my vehicle in the water, my shoes would be wet. This is why I am waiting, and this is the water all over the road. I am waiting for reducing the amount of water so that I can go easily because of I am not able to see the surface as long as I see. This is why I am waiting because of certainly I will I have to stop my scooty between in the road. So if I go there, my shoe would be get my shoe would be wet. This is why I am waiting here. You can see the water level today. The big amount of water you can see there, and people are saying you can't go towards because of your vehicle will be sink because of you can see all over there the water the amount of water you can see, and people are returning back because of they, on both side you can see both side situation is same because of you can see the large amount of water store on the main road. This is a main road, and you can see there is no two wheeler because of two wheeler is there is so much water. Two wheeler would be sink in the water. This is why I am not going towards side. I am just waiting for reducing the amount of water on the road, and police also stopping two wheelers for not going towards side because of it might be possible to sink two wheeler because of there is lots of amount of water we can see. I don't think should I shoot video now or not because of I am in a park, and you as I show you this is the place we can walk and sit there, here and there. But if we talk about this side, you can see the all ground. All ground is wet. You can see the water all over the ground. So I can walk in the ground. This is why I am sitting. I am not sitting in a chair. I am sitting on a type of ball because sitting area in a ground on in ground there are lots of puddles. I If we talk about some puddles is those when some water it's a rainwater, it's not a some kind of water so that some tubewell water or some submersible water or some tank bottle, some kinds of water. It's a rain water. It's was a heavy rain today in the morning. This is why there is large amount of water all over the road. This is why I am sitting here. I am still now. This is a garden, and this garden is temporary, type of, how can I say, because of road is made from concretes. This is why road can't absorb the water, and park can easily absorb the water. This is why you can see not a lots amount of water. It's a little amount of water you can see here. I can't show you because of there are so many guys in the park. You can see the road, and I am sitting inside the garden. This is the front gate you can see, and now you can see the bikes, and you can see the couple. This is a you can see this is a boy and with a girl, and they are walking in the this area only, because of if they go outside from this area, they can't even, if we wanted to walk, his shoes or slippers get wet, and sometimes, and if we can say his how can I say ki his feet would touch, how can I say ki I am not able to think ki I am not, you know I want to describe, but I am not able to describe ki if we walk into the mud, then the mud will will on my foot. Now you understand what I am wanted to say to you. You can understand my situation, because you can see that guy who just went away, and that couple we can say who just went away, they came inside for walking, not for run away from this, and you can see here, and this is the cheering area. How can I sit there? You can see the water, and this is the man who is watching some in the phone, into the phone, and you can see a other guy who is on call on phone, and now you can see a guy who is walking this side, and here is I am walking this kind of wall. I'm not sitting in a some place and some kind of chair area. This park is so huge. This park is so huge, but as I show you, you can see the water all over the ground. You can't even walk in the ground today, because of if you want to walk into the ground, your feet will go to the mud, and then your shoe and slipper will be will be what, how can I say, this is how I am improving myself, because some kind I am thinking English right now. I'm not, and you can see this is the squirrel. You can see a squirrel is pacing here and there, and now you can see, and this is the brick, and these are the also these are the bricks, you can see. And now I am, you can see the many kinds of tree there are so many kinds of tree, you can see. What I am saying to you, I am wasting my time or wasting your time? No, I am not wasting yours, neither mine. Reason is simple. I am, practicing English and you are listening English. Practicing English or listening English, both are most important to, gain fluency and gain clarity. Fluency does not mean कि you speak fast. Fluency means you convey your message, you express your ideas, clearly, so that other people get understand your view, what you want to say actually. This is why I am practicing, and this is how practicing, because of this is my sunglass, and in my sunglass I can see my phone. I you can see, this is how I am making myself and shooting myself while I am speaking in English, you can see. And this is my airpod, and you can see this is my how can I say. And if we talk about, you can see I am under the tree, but it's weather is not so hot, sun is not shining. This is why is a cloudy weather today. This is why some kind of cold weather, and weather is good. This is why I am sitting here